When it comes to our health, most of us know that blood pressure is something worth paying attention to. But here's the encouraging truth. Managing it doesn't always have to mean complicated routines or drastic changes. Sometimes it comes down to what's sitting on your plate. Researchers have found that certain everyday foods can naturally help your body maintain healthier blood pressure levels. These foods work with your body improving circulation, relaxing blood vessels, and even helping to balance minerals like sodium and potassium. And the best part? These are not exotic, hard-to-find superfoods. They're simple ingredients you might already be familiar with, and you can start enjoying them today without turning your life upside down. In this video, we'll explore 5 specific foods in detail. You'll learn how they work in the body, why they're so effective, and practical ways to add them into your meals. I'll also share stories of people who've made small changes and noticed a difference in their health. We also have a private senior health community where you can connect, share tips, and attend monthly expert talks on improving wellness. And on our website, you can download a free PDF guide on this topic, making it easy to bring these tips into your everyday routine. Stick with me until the end. You may be surprised by just how powerful these everyday foods can be in supporting your heart and overall well-being. First are avocados, a heart-healthy powerhouse, packed with monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol while supporting good cholesterol levels. These healthy fats work in combination with fiber to improve overall cardiovascular health. Avocados are also rich in potassium, a key mineral that helps balance sodium in the body, relax blood vessels, and reduce strain on the heart, contributing to more stable blood pressure over time. Margaret, a retired librarian, begins each morning with half an avocado on whole grain toast, adding a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of black pepper. She has made this simple routine a daily habit for years, and she finds that it keeps her full and energized throughout the morning, making it easier to avoid less nutritious snacks. Beyond the immediate benefits of feeling satisfied and energized, Margaret has noticed improvements in her overall wellness, including more stable blood pressure readings and a sense of confidence knowing she is taking care of her heart. Avocados also contain magnesium, which supports the health and flexibility of blood vessels, and antioxidants like vitamin E, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body. For seniors like Margaret, this combination of nutrients means more than just heart protection. It can support sustained energy, better digestion, and a stronger immune system. Including avocados in meals doesn't have to be complicated. They can be sliced into salads, mashed into spreads, blended into smoothies for a creamy texture, or even mixed into pasta or grain bowls for added richness. By incorporating avocados consistently, you can enjoy a delicious, versatile food that not only tastes great, but actively supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and helps maintain a sense of overall wellness and vitality. Next are beets, naturally rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. In addition to nitrates, beets are packed with fiber, folate, and antioxidants that support heart health, reduce inflammation, and protect blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. James, a retired school principal, starts his morning with a glass of fresh beet juice or roasted beet slices in his salad. He has incorporated this habit into his routine for several years. Beyond the blood pressure benefits, James notices that he has more energy throughout the day, his circulation feels better during walks, and he experiences fewer midday crashes. The deep red betalains in beets not only provide antioxidant protection, but also support the liver in detoxifying the body, contributing to overall health. Beets are incredibly versatile. They can be roasted with olive oil and herbs, steamed, blended into smoothies, or thinly sliced into sandwiches or grain bowls. James has discovered that preparing them in different ways keeps meals exciting and prevents routine from feeling monotonous. For seniors, incorporating beets regularly can help support a healthy heart, reduce inflammation, and enhance energy and vitality, making everyday activities feel easier and more enjoyable. The third food is dark chocolate, especially with 70% cocoa or higher, it is rich in flavonoids, plant compounds that have been shown to improve heart health. These flavonoids help relax blood vessels, enhance circulation, and lower blood pressure. Dark chocolate also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect arteries and reduce the risk of heart disease over time. Helen, a retired accountant, enjoys a small square of dark chocolate each afternoon with her cup of tea. She has made this small indulgence a daily ritual for years and appreciates the dual benefits, satisfying a sweet craving while supporting her heart. Over time, Helen has noticed more consistent energy, improved mood, and healthier blood pressure readings. The magnesium in dark chocolate also contributes to proper heart rhythm, while its flavonoids help prevent arterial stiffness, a key factor in cardiovascular aging. Including dark chocolate doesn't require overindulgence. Even a small piece after lunch or dinner can provide meaningful heart benefits. Helen often pairs her chocolate with fresh berries or a handful of nuts for a snack that balances indulgence with nutrition. For seniors, dark chocolate is a practical, enjoyable way to support long-term heart health while maintaining pleasurable daily habits. Additionally, garlic has been valued for its health properties for centuries, particularly for its cardiovascular benefits. The compound allicin in garlic helps relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and improve circulation. Garlic also supports healthy cholesterol levels, reduces inflammation, and has antioxidant properties that protect blood vessels from damage. Robert, a retired chef, has incorporated fresh garlic into nearly every meal. From roasting vegetables and adding it to sauces to infusing oils, he enjoys both the taste and the heart-supportive benefits. Robert has found that including garlic consistently in his diet has contributed to lower blood pressure readings and an increased sense of heart vitality. Beyond its cardiovascular benefits, garlic also supports immune health and has natural anti-inflammatory effects, which are particularly helpful for seniors managing multiple aspects of wellness. Fresh garlic can be easily added to meals in a variety of ways. Minced into salad dressings, roasted with vegetables, or lightly sautéed for flavor. Seniors like Robert find that integrating garlic into daily cooking not only improves health, but enhances the taste of meals, making healthy eating more enjoyable. Its consistent inclusion becomes a simple yet powerful strategy for long-term heart protection, supporting circulation and overall wellness. Finally, spinach is a leafy green that provides essential nutrients for heart health. It is rich in potassium, magnesium, and nitrates, all of which help lower blood pressure, relax blood vessels, and maintain healthy cardiovascular function. Spinach is also packed with antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, which reduce inflammation and protect against arterial damage. Dorothy, a retired school teacher, enjoys incorporating fresh spinach into her smoothies, salads, and lightly sautéed as a side dish. She finds that eating spinach regularly helps her maintain more stable blood pressure, improves her energy levels, and supports overall heart health. The nitrates in spinach help relax blood vessels and improve circulation, while its magnesium and potassium work together to regulate heart rhythm. Spinach is versatile and easy to integrate into meals. It can be eaten raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or cooked as a side dish. Dorothy often mixes it with garlic, olive oil, or avocado to boost both flavor and nutrition. For seniors, incorporating spinach regularly supports cardiovascular health, helps maintain energy for daily activities, and provides essential nutrients that contribute to long-term wellness and vitality. By adding these 5 heart-friendly foods, avocado, beets, dark chocolate, garlic, and spinach into your meals, you're taking simple steps to support healthy blood pressure and a strong heart. Start small, make gradual changes, and enjoy experimenting with flavors that nourish both your body and your taste buds. For extra guidance, join our private senior health community for recipes, tips, and support from others on the same journey. And grab your free PDF guide on 5 foods to lower blood pressure naturally from our website today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.